Hi all, you're welcome in your own channel Future Technology. This video is part of our data science full course series. In this video section we will cover the types of machine learning. There are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning. Supervised learning, as the name indicates, the presence of a supervisor as a teacher. Supervised learning is the most popular paradigm for machine learning. It is the easiest to understand and simplest to implement. Supervised learning provides you with a powerful tool to classify and process data using machine language. Basically, supervised learning is a learning which we take or train the machine using data that is well labeled, which means some data is already tagged with the correct answer. After that, the machine is provided with a new set of examples so that the supervised learning algorithm analyzes the training data and produce a correct outcome from labeled data. For instance, suppose you are given a basket filled with different kind of fruits. Now the first step is to train the machine with all different fruits one by one like this. If the shape of an object is rounded and dispersion at the top having color red, then it will be labeled as apple. If the shape of an object is a long curving cylinder having color green yellow, then it will be labeled as banana. Now suppose after training the data, you have given a new separate fruit, say banana, from the basket and asked to identify it. Since the machine has already learned that thing from previous data and this time have to use it wisely, it will first classify the fruit with its shape and color and would confirm the fruit name as banana and put it in the banana category. Those the machine learned this thing from training data and applies the knowledge to test data. Supervised learning classified into two categories of algorithm. Classification. A classification problem is when the output variable is a category such as a red or blue or dices and no dices. Regression. A regression problem is when the output variable is a real value such as dollars or weight. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning occurs when an algorithm learns from plain example without any associate response having to the algorithm to determine the data patterns on its own. Unsupervised learning is the training of a machine using information that is neither classified nor labeled and allowing the algorithm to act on the information without guidance. Here the task of machine is to group unstored information according to similarities, patterns and difference without any prior training of data. Unlike supervised learning, no teacher is provided. That means no training will be given to the machine. Therefore, the machine is restricted to find the hidden structure in unlabeled data by ourselves. For instance, suppose it is given an image having both dogs and cats which have not seen ever. Those the machine has no idea about the future of dogs and cats, so we can't categorize it in dogs and cats. But it can categorize them according to their similarities, patterns and difference. Either we can easily categorize the above picture into two parts. First, many contain all pic having dog in it and second part may contain all pic having cat in it. Here you didn't learn anything before means no training data or examples. Unsupervised learning classified into two categories of algorithm. Clustering. A clustering problem is where you want to discover the inherent grouping in the data, such as grouping customers by purchasing behavior. Association. An association rule learning problem is where you want to discover rules that describe large portion of your data, such as people that buy X also tend to buy Y. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning occurs when you present the algorithm with example that lack labels, as in unsupervised learning. However, you can accompany an example with positive or negative feedback according to the solution the algorithm proposes. Reinforcement learning is connected to application for which the algorithm must make decision. So the product is prospective, not just descriptive, as in unsupervised learning. And the decision bear consequences. In the human world, it is just like learning by trial and error. Reinforcement algorithm usually learn optimal action through trial and error. Imagine for example a video game in which the player need to move to certain place at certain times to earn points. A reinforcement algorithm playing that game would start by moving randomly, but over time through trial and error, it would learn where and when it needed to move the in-game character to maximize its point total. Guys, in this video section we have learned about types of machine learning. If you have any problem in this video section, then you can ask by comment and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the information of a new video immediately. If you like this video, then like it and share it. Thanks for watching.